There you go, man. 7, 8. Yeah, boy. We're going to use a Smith machine. All right, the exercise we're going to use or do is for the back, and this is called the inversion row. You can make it as easy or as challenging as you like. We're going to start right in the middle. So starting with shoulder length apart, you walk in straight like a board, you're on your heels, and you pull your body to the bar, just like that.
All right. Last time I tried that, I could barely do it.
And try not to dip in the hips. Keep the hips up and pull straight up.
Yeah, this is a habit I always try to line it up. Like that?
Yep. And pull straight up. That's it. 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good.
And to get harder, you go lower.
Yeah, we can lower it to make it more challenging. So the closer you get to the floor, the more challenging it'll be.
Try it again. I can tell you it's gonna be really hard.
Yeah.
All right.
That's it. 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go, man. 7, 8. Yeah, boy. 9 and 10.
That is super hard.
And if you go any lower, it'll be even more challenging.
Oh yeah. Well, that's a goal. But with another exercise to help you stress the nervous system, and do this a few times a week. Remember, you have to stress the nervous system. This does not mean 1 or 2 times. You have to do this over and over and over. Like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thank you.